You can save your search queries. I'll show you how. When you type your keywords into the search box, click the magnifying glass and you'll be taken to the results page. Sign in to your OneSearch account, and the option to save your query will show up as an option next to the total results number. Click on the Save Query pin icon, and a confirmation will appear on the top of the page that your search query was saved. If you want to see your saved searches, click on the pin icon located on the top right of the page next to My Account. Then click Save Searches. From your saved searches, you can also set up an RSS feed, notifications, or delete the saved search.